What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. Thank you for being amazing subscribers. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. By the way, I do have a Facebook group now. It is in my profile, in my description, so you can scroll down and check that. I also have some other videos for you to check out on my archives and my playlist, so feel free to check those out as well. If you're interested in doing collaborations, send me a message on Instagram with my instagram.com/darthdividend account. So here are 3 stocks I'm going to buy during St. Patty's Day week. Really, it's all about the Benjamins, about the money, the stock market. There's a lot of uncertainty right now with what's going on, and as dividend investors, we need to be smart and hold. But first of all, let's take a real quick moment of silence for the people that are affected with this coronavirus, people, potential job cuts, the deaths, and the healthcare workers and the people that are sick right now. Let's just take a real quick 5 to 10 second moment of silence for those people. Okay, so here are my 3 stocks. First of all, these type of stocks you need to capitalize on at the moment. Anything that has the phrase airlines, okay, Delta Airlines, I bought some shares in them. Southwest Airlines, anything that has the word airlines in it, these guys are hit hard, and they're probably going to continue to be hit hard. Another thing is anything that has a phrase entertainment. So one example right here, EPR Properties, that's a real estate investment trust that gives off a monthly dividend. That was hit pretty hard. UGI Corporation seems like it's on the rise. It's a energy stock, or like gas stock, basically natural gas. So that's one to keep an eye on. They are a pretty big company, so keep an eye on those guys. I'm considering buying stocks in them. I'll just see how they look right now. But EPR Properties is hot. I did a video on a few stocks that I bought, on the 3 stocks I bought, which was Delta Airlines and a few other stocks, but there's a few more that I want to go after that I'm going to show you in this video that I'm going to buy this week, especially on Monday, because I have a feeling the market will take a dip. So the first stock revealed is Carnival Corporation. As I referred to before, cruise stocks took a big hit, okay? People aren't traveling, people are stuck, they can't move anywhere. This is a pandemic, people aren't going anywhere. So this stock is hot right now. I'm going to show you in a little bit the dividends on it, how it's doing in the S&P, and why it has a chance to rebound. I'm going to take the risk. You got to strike when it's hot. The price per share is down. There's got to be people out there that are panic selling, which is one of the worst things you can do. And this field, or this area, is hit hard by the coronavirus. People are banned from doing this, so they're taking a huge hit. Hopefully this pandemic goes away. I feel terrible for the workers and these companies. They took a huge hit. They could continue to decline, but I'm going to capitalize on it as soon as possible on Monday. Who knows if it's going to dip? Who knows if it's going to go up? I'm just going to go in. I don't care. So here's Carnival Corporation. Right now it's $17.58 a share. Look at the huge dip that happened. Okay, this is since inception. It's way up there, just about more than $60, and all of a sudden this coronavirus thing started to happen. And then, boom, took a huge hit. So right now is the time to buy. This dividend yield is not going to be that high, so I wouldn't even worry about it. But it might go up, might go down. Market's going up and down, right and left. So I'm going to just go in. I'm still going to make money. So I think I'm going to still make money. So that's what I'm going to do. So here's how it's doing against the S&P since inception. Right here's the Carnival in the blue. So it has beaten the S&P since inception. This is when it kind of took a nosedive. It's less than the S&P right now, but look at how it's done since inception. It's gone up. It's really got up. This is probably right around was a big stop. Then everything started going back up. So, you know, it looks like an election did help. People started to have more money. Once they get more money and they're not being very conservative with their money, they're going to start going on cruises. The baby boomers are retiring. This is another thing. So the cruises are going to be pretty hot. So here's our dividend history. Okay. This is 2016. It was 35 cents a share. In 2017, it's 40 cents a share. In 2018, it's going up. It's going up. It has not dropped its dividend. So that's another thing why I see it as a very attractive stock. It's going to go up. Sure, it's going to take a big hit right now, but in the long run, this will probably go right back up. And that's what we all want. We want our money to make money. We want to increase the dividends. We want growth stocks. We want stocks to grow. So this is what I'm going to look into, and this is what I'm going to buy. I currently don't own it, but I'm going to. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, so, you know, don't try to say this and that. But this is, you know, this is for entertainment purposes, but I think this is a very hot stock for you to consider and look into. And let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm going to reveal my second stock. So my next stock I'm going to reveal is it's going to target the fast food business. People aren't going inside to eat. They're going through the drive-thrus now. People are scared to be everywhere. People are running in stores buying chicken and toilet paper and all this stuff. And recently I just found out that Mike DeWine just shut down all the restaurants and bars in Ohio starting at 9 p.m. tonight. So this is basically something that's raising red flags with the business. People are going to be nervous because they're in contact with people. Schools are closed. This is something that we can, as dividend investors, look into and capitalize. Carry out food is encouraged. Fast food isn't going anywhere. Even when the economy gets better, it's still going to grow. I'm stuck inside. I'm a registered nurse. I still got to go to work. The good thing is I do have job security. We do our health screening with the coronavirus and everything. So I'm stuck inside. So I hope my gym's not canceled. If it is canceled, I'm going to be very upset. But my apartment complex does have a gym. So that's the nice thing. So I'm going to reveal the stock. Wendy's. I did a video about Wendy's before. So they took a big hit. They're at $16.80 a share. This was growing it was going really well. And I put a video on it. People are very attracted with the stock. This is a fast food stock. This is originated in Dublin, Ohio. It's very hot in Ohio. For a fast food stock, this is very attractive. It's only $16.80 a share. Now, if you look at McDonald's and all these other restaurants, you know, they Yummy Brands and all that. That's a lot of price per share. I mean, this is a growth stock. This has serious potential to grow. It was listed on Zacks as a buy recently. So if you look at my previous video, maybe I'll just send a link on it, or I'll just refer to it on my previous lecture. Just keep an eye out in the top right-hand section. I'll just allow it to go through, or I'll post a comment. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll post a video link in the description section where I did my analysis, and I'll also do one in my comment section and pin it, so you guys can see my stock analysis and what I think of the stock. Here's our dividend history. It has increased its dividend ever since 2017. This is what I like about its stock. It's a cheap stock. It's less than $30. This is my favorite stock that gives off a quarterly dividend. It's very hot stock. I see a lot of potential with this stock as it keeps on growing, and the board of directors feel confident in raising the dividend. So this is my third stock. I'm going to reveal this stock took a huge hit. I think it'll make a huge comeback in the future. It has beaten the S&P since inception. There's some pretty good ETFs in their arsenal with this company. I see some serious potential in the long run with them. This is Franklin Resources. I just copied and pasted a link on Business Insider. Franklin Resources announces a deal to buy Legg Mason, a tie-up that could help navigate a worldwide shift in investor preference away from active management. Franklin said it agreed to acquire Legg Mason for 50 a share or 4.5 billion in an all-in cash deal that would assume about $2 billion of debt. That announced deal also answers months over speculation over Legg Mason's future after activist investor Trian Fund Management confirmed its stake last year. So here's its revenue with Franklin Resources. They have a lot of, they're a little decreased with cash on hand, but their revenue has increased, what I like. Their net income has increased. The net profit margin is up. I know that, cash on hand is a little bit low in December, but that could be, with an acquirement or saving up for that. Cost of revenue is increased. So I see a lot of potential with this company. Here's how they've done against the S&P. They have killed them since inception. I think in the past few years they were a little bit down, but for $18.11, I find this very attractive. I find this is a very hot stock to look into. So I am going to buy this stock sometime this week, and I will let you know how many shares I get, and I'll give you an update on how some of these stocks are doing throughout the week. If hopefully I'll try the weekend, maybe I'll try doing that. So I'll let you know how things are going. But I really like their dividend history, 20 cents a share. 2017 it's gone up. This is a wild card special dividend that they gave off. That's not going to happen that often, but it has gone up and has increased its dividend over time, 3.6%. I like that special dividend. That's pretty attractive right there, but I wish I was invested in it, but what are you going to do? It's just how it is. So these are how things are looking right now with this stock. I see some serious potential in the long run. And thank you again for watching this channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I have a new Facebook group, like I said, which you are free to join. I'll post some videos and have some interesting humor on there. So I'll post my YouTube videos on there and just add some dividend investing humor on there for some of you guys that are big into investing. Make sure you wash your hands and be safe. And hopefully you guys have a great St. Patty's Day. And again, thank you for watching this channel. You guys are fantastic.